the most powerful herbs that help heal the body over 40. If you're over 40 and looking to enhance your well-being naturally, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 14 most powerful medicinal herbs that can help heal your body, boost your health, and keep you feeling vibrant. This information is intended for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have any medical issues. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric, often hailed as a superfood, is renowned for its active compound, curcumin, which boasts potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption can help reduce inflammation linked to chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. For those over 40, turmeric can support joint health and improve mobility, making it a must-have in your wellness arsenal. To harness turmeric's benefits, consider adding it to your daily diet. A typical dosage is about 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams of curcumin extract per day, or you can use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in cooking or smoothies. Pair it with black pepper to enhance absorption and enjoy its earthy flavor in curries, soups, or even golden milk. 2. Ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse herb known for its ability to soothe digestive issues, alleviate nausea, and reduce muscle pain. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for those experiencing discomfort or stiffness as they age. Ginger can also support cardiovascular health by improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. For optimal use, aim for a daily dose of 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger root, which can be enjoyed in teas, smoothies, or added to stir-fries. If you prefer supplements, ginger capsules are widely available. Just a cup of ginger tea can do wonders for your digestion and overall wellness. 3. Garlic. Garlic is not only a delicious culinary staple, but also a potent medicinal herb. It's packed with allicin, a compound that helps lower cholesterol levels, support immune function, and even reduce blood pressure. For individuals over 40, incorporating garlic into your diet can be a great way to promote heart health and prevent chronic illnesses. To reap the benefits, aim for 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic daily. You can chop it and let it sit for a few minutes before consumption to enhance its medicinal properties. Add garlic to salads, dressings, or roasted vegetables for a flavorful health boost that your body will thank you for. 4. Echinacea. Echinacea is a well-known herb that plays a significant role in supporting the immune system. It is often used to prevent and treat colds and flu, making it especially beneficial for those over 40 who may experience more frequent illnesses. Echinacea is believed to enhance the activity of immune cells, giving your body the upper hand in fighting infections. For effective immune support, consider taking 300 to 500 milligrams of Echinacea extract 3 times a day, especially during cold and flu season. You can also enjoy it as a tea or tincture. The earthy taste makes it a comforting option for those chilly nights. 5. Peppermint. Peppermint is more than just a refreshing flavor. It's also a fantastic herb for digestion. Rich in menthol, peppermint can relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relieve indigestion, bloating, and even headaches. For individuals over 40, peppermint can be a soothing remedy for various digestive issues. Alternatively, you can take peppermint oil capsules, usually around 0.2 to 0.4 mL per day. A simple way to use peppermint is by drinking 1 to 2 cups of peppermint tea daily. For quick relief from headaches, inhaling peppermint oil can provide instant comfort and clarity. 6. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen known for its ability to combat stress and promote mental clarity. This herb can enhance your body's resilience to stress, making it especially beneficial for those navigating life's challenges after 40. Studies suggest it can also improve sleep quality and boost overall mood, making it a holistic choice for wellness. To incorporate ashwagandha into your routine, consider taking 300 to 500 milligrams of standardized extract daily. It can be consumed in capsule form or as a powder mixed into smoothies or warm milk. Experience the calming effects while nourishing your body at the same time. 7. Chamomile. Chamomile is widely recognized for its calming effects, making it a perfect herb for promoting relaxation and better sleep. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a great ally for those over 40, helping to alleviate anxiety and support digestive health. Enjoy chamomile as a warm, soothing tea, aiming for 1 to 2 cups daily. If you prefer a concentrated form, chamomile extract can be taken in capsule form, typically 400 to 600 milligrams per day. Sip it before bedtime to unwind and improve your sleep quality. 8. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is celebrated for its liver-supportive benefits, especially important as we age. The active compound, silymarin, protects liver cells from toxins and promotes liver regeneration. For individuals over 40, supporting liver health can enhance overall detoxification and metabolic processes. A common dosage for milk thistle is 140 to 800 milligrams of silymarin extract daily, depending on the concentration. You can take it as a capsule, powder, or tincture. Incorporate it into your daily routine to help keep your liver functioning optimally. 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is not just a delicious spice, it also offers incredible health benefits. It can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for those over 40 who may be concerned about insulin sensitivity and diabetes. The antioxidant properties in cinnamon also contribute to overall heart health. To include cinnamon in your diet, aim for about 1 teaspoon per day, which you can sprinkle on oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. Cinnamon capsules are also available for those seeking a more concentrated form. Enjoy its sweet and spicy flavor while boosting your health. 10. Nettle. Nettle is a nutrient-dense herb that supports overall health, especially for those experiencing seasonal allergies or joint pain. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including iron and calcium, nettle is known to help alleviate inflammation and boost the immune system. For optimal use, you can take nettle in capsule form, 300 to 500 milligrams, or brew it as a tea, enjoying 1 to 3 cups daily. Adding nettle to soups or smoothies is another delicious way to benefit from this powerful herb. Its versatility makes it easy to include in your routine. Chapter 11. Lavender. Lavender is cherished not only for its lovely aroma, but also for its calming effects. This herb is often used to relieve stress, anxiety, and insomnia, making it an excellent choice for those over 40 who may experience heightened stress levels. The soothing properties of lavender can promote relaxation and enhance sleep quality. To incorporate lavender into your daily life, try using lavender essential oil in a diffuser or as a calming bedtime tea. You can also take lavender supplements, typically around 80 to 160 milligrams daily. Embrace the calming essence of lavender to improve your mental and emotional well-being. 12. Rosemary. Rosemary is more than just a flavorful herb. It has impressive cognitive benefits. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary can enhance memory and concentration, making it particularly beneficial for those experiencing cognitive decline over 40. It also supports digestive health and boosts circulation. To reap the benefits, use fresh or dried rosemary in cooking, aiming for about 1 teaspoon daily. Rosemary tea is another excellent way to enjoy its benefits, or consider taking rosemary extract, typically around 500 milligrams daily. Elevate your culinary creations while supporting your brain health. 13. Oregano. Oregano is packed with antioxidants and has potent antimicrobial properties, making it a valuable herb for supporting immune health. Its active compounds can help fight infections, which is especially important for those over 40, as the immune system may weaken with age. For optimal health benefits, aim for about 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried oregano daily, whether in cooking or as a tea. Oregano oil is also available, typically taken in doses of 100 to 200 milligrams. Spice up your meals while fortifying your immune system. 14. Moringa. Moringa is a nutrient-rich superfood loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's known to support energy levels, immune function, and overall vitality, making it a fantastic herb for those over 40 who want to maintain their health and energy. Moringa may also help reduce inflammation and improve digestive health. To incorporate moringa into your diet, consider taking 1 to 2 teaspoons of moringa powder daily, which can be mixed into smoothies, soups, or salads. Moringa capsules are also available for convenience. Embrace the power of this superfood to enhance your well-being. By incorporating these herbs into your daily routine, you can promote better health and vitality as you age. If you found this video helpful, watch this next video for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.